Okay, dear students, in this video we are going to see next point that nomads or the mobile tribals they was live how they was lived or how they was living. Okay, please take page number 94. Please take page number 94 and how they was living. First one, the nomadic pastoralists means those who are rearing the animals or those who was moving from one area to another area. In like that groups we are calling the nomadic pastoralists. Then they was living what they moved over long distance. They moving from, for example, they are from Pune area to Ratnagiri area, that is a long distance. Or from here, if you are saying when the summer season, that time they will move to Ooty Kodaikanal area in search of food of the animals, like that. They was moving for long distance with their animals. They never moved alone. They was moving with their own animals. Lived on milk, and they was depending on what milk and the other pastoral products like ghee and other things. So they was living with, they used milk and milk products more, and at the same time they exchanged wool, ghee, etc. with settled agricultural communities for grains, cloth, utensils, etc. So they was collecting things, means essential grains, cloth, utensils, like that things, and some medicine, like that, what all things they need. How they was collecting, giving this ghee or wool, like that, the animal products from what all things they can produce from animals, they was selling that one, and they was collecting the materials what they want. And the Banjaras, that they are the famous group, and we can see in page number 95 about Banjaras, one of the English trader written about Banjaras and how they was living, what all things they had, like that. And we can see one in some of the English book stories also, how these people was living and how they used this Banjaras or the Ahams, like that, this nomadic tribals people, how they used with some of the kings. It is given page number 95, the first paragraph. The Banjaras were the most important trader nomads. They was trader nomads, not pastoralists only. They are having trade also. And their caravans was called Tanda, and Sultan Alauddin Khalji, he used Banjaras for transportation of grains into the city market. Then Emperor Jahangir wrote on his memories that Banjaras carried a grain for their bullocks from different areas and sold it in towns. Then transported food grain for a Mughal army during the military campaign, like the different kings or the different emperors, they used these people for different purposes, especially for transporting military from one area to another area, or bringing food for the people or for the town people, like that, for different purpose these Banjaras was used. At the same time, some of the tribes, they was rearing and selling animals and animal products, and especially they was rearing cattle and horse, like that things. For what purpose? To give to the prosperous people, because they used to donate to temples or to kings, sometimes selling that one, sometimes they are donating, like that it was going on. So we can see that one, this nomadic pastoralists means people those who was moving from one area to another area. We used them for different purpose, taking the grains and other things to different area, or bringing our people goods, and like that means it started a transportation service with these nomadic tribes that we have seen again in with Ahams also. In the Aham society also we have seen when we studied the lesson. Okay, we will see next topic, that is changing society, new caste and hierarchies, that already studied in a second lesson, again first and second lesson. Again here we are going to see the Varna system, how it changed again.